Money is one of the most important things in life. It can provide you with the freedom to do what you want and live how you choose. But like anything else, there are rules that need to be followed when it comes to money. In this video, we'll discuss 10 of the most important rules of money. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. Firstly, you need to fight your negative mindset around money. You know the saying, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Well, there's a reason for that. People who are already wealthy have a positive mindset around money and are always looking for ways to increase their earnings. On the other hand, people who are struggling financially often have a negative mindset when it comes to money. They believe that they don't have enough money to make ends meet, so they're not motivated to work harder or save up. If you want to get ahead financially, you need to fight to fix your negative mindset around money. You need to believe that you can earn more money and take concrete steps to increase your income. Only then will you be able to break out of the cycle of poverty and start building wealth. There's no magic formula to becoming rich, but changing your mindset is the first place to start. Number 2, money is an exchange of value. That's the bottom line. People who have a lot of money understand this, and that's why they're able to amass more wealth. Those who don't have a lot of money often don't understand this simple concept. Money doesn't grow on trees, but it can be created out of thin air if you know how to do it. The key is understanding that money is an exchange of value, and the value of what you offer will be higher than the cash sum to those who want it. If you can provide value to others, they will give you money in exchange. It's as simple as that. So if you want to make more money, start by providing more value. It's the best way to increase your wealth in work and business. Number 3, remove your time from making money. Making money is a bit like making cake. There are some key ingredients that you need to get right if you want to end up with a tasty and satisfying final product. One of the most important things to remember is that you can't just put your time into making money. You need to remove it from the equation altogether. Now that might sound counterintuitive, but trust me, it's the only way to guarantee success. After all, your time is finite, so it's not scalable. The key is to focus on creating something that will generate passive income, so that you can live your life without always having to chase after those elusive dollars. You need to get your money working for you. Number 4, find opportunities that can be scaled. That means if you find a way to make an extra $100, there should be a way to make an extra $1,000 from it. That could be doubling down on what's working, or by investing in yourself to increase your knowledge. The world is constantly changing, and those who don't keep up will be left behind. Number 5, don't let your money sleep. Making more money is about making sure your money is always working for you. If you keep your money in a savings account, chances are, due to inflation, you'll actually be losing money instead of making it. The key is to invest your money so that it can grow and make more for you. This can be done through stocks, real estate, or other investments. You just need to make sure you're always investing in something that has the potential to make more money so that you can continue to grow your wealth. Number 6, never spend money before you have it. It's a simple concept really. If you want to have more money, never spend money before you have it. That means no buying lunch on credit, no financing furniture, and definitely no impulse purchases. Instead, wait until you have the cash on hand to pay for whatever it is you're buying. This may require some patience and self-control, but it will pay off in the long run. Not only will you save more money on interest payments, but you'll also be less likely to rack up debt that you can't afford to repay. Number 7, rich people are just further along. Making money is a bit like running a race. Everybody starts at the same point, but some get a head start. They might have rich parents who give them money to get started, or they might inherit a lot of money. But eventually everybody reaches the point where they have to run on their own. And that's when it becomes clear that rich people are just further along than everyone else. They're not different from you or superhuman, they just have more money in the bank. And that means they can do things that you can't, like buying expensive houses or cars. But if you keep running, eventually you'll catch up. And then you'll be the one with the nice house and the fancy car. So don't focus on others, you have your own race to run. Number 8, money is not the master, you are. Never be a slave to your money. Become the master. That's sometimes easier said than done. Money has a way of seeming like an all-powerful force that can control our lives if we let it. But the truth is, money is just a tool. and it's you who decides how to use it. If you allow money to rule you, then you'll never be happy. But if you use money wisely and become master over it, everything changes. It's all a matter of perspective. Never forget that you're the one in charge of your life, not money. Number 9. Most wealth transfers happen during crisis. As any savvy investor knows, most wealth transfers happen during crisis. And while that may seem like bad news at first, it's actually an opportunity to build your fortune. After all, if you're prepared for a crisis, you can take advantage of the situation and buy up assets at fire sale prices. It's like buying discounted umbrellas in summer to sell when the rain comes. You get ready in the good times. Just look at Warren Buffett, who made his fortune by buying up businesses during the recessions of the 1980s and 90s. He literally 5x'd his wealth in a matter of years. So if you want to follow in his footsteps, start preparing now. That way, when the next crisis hits, you'll be ready to take advantage of it. Number 10. You need to live lean. If you want to make more money in 2023, then you need to live lean. Keep your expenses low so you can save more and invest in yourself. You don't need the latest car or the biggest house to be happy and successful. In fact, many of the most successful people in the world live relatively modest lifestyles. By living lean, you can free up more money to invest in your future and build long-term wealth. So if you're looking to increase your earnings in the new year, make sure your spending is under control. Living lean will help you accomplish your financial goals and set you up for a prosperous future. With that said, we've reached the end of today's video. Hit the like button if you found value in it, and make sure to subscribe for more money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.